For this problem, we are dealing with three variables and three equations. However, all three are not in each one. So if we were doing this by hand, we want to use substitution. If we're going to use the calculator, we want to rewrite them, and we want a placeholder for our z if it is missing. So for example, this one would be 0z equals 3. In this problem, or in this equation too, we do not have an x, so I'm going to write 0x plus y plus z equals -7. And in this last one, I'm missing a y, so I'm going to put plus 0y minus z equals 10. Okay? Because now they will be in the form ax plus by plus cz equals d, or standard form. Okay, once they're in standard form, x, y, z, we write them as a matrix. The matrix we write is the coefficients without the variables. So we have 1, 1, 0, 3 for our first equation. Our second row of our matrix would be 0, 1, 1, -7. Third equation, 1, 0, -1, and 10. So we have this matrix that we can now put into our calculator and let our calculator help us. Okay, so you want to go to the apps key, and once you're in there, you want to scroll all the way down to PolySimult, hit enter, enter again. Now we're going to choose the second one that says simultaneous equations, so you just arrow down, hit enter. Okay, we do have three equations with three unknowns, so we want to type in 3 here, enter, 3, enter. Okay, now I had another equation there, you just ignore it, you're just going to type over it. So what we're going to type in here is our matrix. So my first row in my matrix I type in is 1, enter, and that will change it. 1, enter, 0, enter, 3, enter. Second row, 0, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter. Now when you hit -7, make sure you use this negative key, not your minus key. So -7, enter. The last row, 1, enter, 0, enter, -1, enter, 10, enter. Now I can hit this blue button that says graph is right underneath solve, and I hit solve. Now, this is an interesting answer. It doesn't give me, if there was one solution, it would give you what x equals, y equals, and z equals. Okay? If there was no solution, it would say no solution found. In this situation, when it puts it in terms of the other variables, okay, remember our three options were one solution, no solution, okay, or infinite solutions. So when it's no solution, it's an inconsistent system. But this one is not no solution. This is infinite number of solutions. Okay, so that means we have a dependent system.